Nothing says South Florida like the sun and swim. And it seems like there's a water park every city, every square mile. You have a different water park or pool attraction. Now, just because there's a water park, just because it's maintained by maybe a hotel or a large chain, doesn't automatically mean that it's safe. All right, you have to be very vigilant when you go and attend these water parks, because there's just inherently dangerous amusements that are there, whether it's water slides, tubing, rafting, or even a lazy river can turn dangerous. Now, as a father of three young kids, I have to have eyes in the front and eyes in the back and keep an eye on them all the time to see what they're doing. Now, one of the main things that can happen with young kids and when they're running around is that ground is slippery. Now, you know, my kids, for instance, they have water shoes that have slip-resistant soles at the bottom, so they could go in the water, they could run around, and it absorbs the water quite well, so they could run, they don't stub their toes, they don't slip, they don't fall, and they're at least safe in that regard. So that's why I would recommend, if you're concerned about maybe slipping and falling, at one of these water parks, are definitely those slip-resistant shoes with the proper soles.